Entertainment of Atago. Who have been say? I'm one of the manager. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the arrival of Akubik Entertainment here in Owerri, Nigeria. Agunafugo, the CEO of Akubik Entertainment of Atago. So now, only of them once you talent in Agute of hip hop, hip hop and high life, then be ready for Akubik Entertainment of Atago. Who have been say? I'm one of the manager here. So, Gam Akubik go be a good boy. I know. So I can make the main manager. I would have go Akubik from the high life for the hip hop for high life. So Gabon guy. Ejeluno Unuwolono mu malum Onyoma to chukuna manu weza batagonu Haba Una malugo na kudinobi chukuba afa mmadu